Hello friends, today is my last day in Gokarna. We are going to check out Vibhuti Falls, do some shopping and try local cuisine out here. So stay tuned for that. Please do subscribe to my channel to get regular updates on next travel destinations. Also, if you like my work, do give it a thumbs up, like and share with your friends. Also, you can comment down below what you would like to see next on this channel. That's the way we came from. We're going to Vibhuti Falls, and as you might hear my panting, that's due to that small trail up to the waterfalls. So let's see how much fresh water we get there. So that's the fish land, and this is where you eat. So some of my friends here, they are trying the Konkan cuisine.
Been here already.
Exhausted or take some other place?
Exhausted.
You liked it so much you wanted to come back.
That was my first Gastro experience.
So when you come to Gokarna, do visit this place. It's exactly in front of Fishland, opposite. So yeah, fish lovers paradise. So friends, it's around noon and today is the time to check out. So we're in Gokarna. There's a market street there and also that side. So I think we bought some like harem pants and some cool t-shirts. But yeah, I think we should have shopped earlier. But yeah, nonetheless, taking something back with us. What Ondu? Ondu is one. And? Eredu.
Adu anta. Nalakku.
No, how do you say 8? Huh? N2.
Ask 10.
10. What is 10?
What is 9?
Ombattu.
Ombattu, Ottu.
Ombattu.
Attu.
Attu. क्या फ़ायदा है?
ये बहुत बड़ा फ़ायदा होता है, उसमें पानी डाल के पियो, ये काशी का है, ओम निकलता है उससे, बॉडी में कोई प्रॉब्लम हो ख़त्म होता है। और लोग बोलते हैं ऐसा खिला कर ऐसा तो चिपका के स्लो मार के आ गया। हर चीज़ आने से आता है।